Yes, welcome back Gurukulians. Now we will do here present perfect continuous tense. See, sorry, present perfect tense bete first of all. Present perfect tense. For perfect tense bete, see what we use: has, have plus third form of the verb. First of all, it should be clear. Okay, where we use this tense? For recent actions, recent completed actions. Keep this in your mind. Okay bete, see, present perfect tense, with this we use their has, have plus verb third form with subject. Okay, where we use has or have, I know very well, you always do their mistake, okay, in describing has or have. Where you should use, first of all, it should be clear to each and everybody. See, has we use with he, she, each and with name of person. Okay bete, and see, have we use with they, we, I and with you. See, it should be clear bete. You always do mistake in doing this bete. Has we use with has we use with third person. Okay, third person singular. Has we use with third person singular. You know very well about that third person singular: he, she, each, name and any noun. Any noun. Okay bete, and have we use with they, we, I, you, means with plural we use this, and with first person and with second person we use their have. Okay, and we use always their third form of the verb. Now the form of this verb bete, for affirmative, subject will come bete, then has, have plus third form of the verb, then object. Okay, then negative, for negative sentences, subject, has, have, okay, plus note plus V3 plus object. Okay bete, and for interrogative sentences, okay, WH word bete, WH family word will come, then has, have, then subject, then third form of the verb, then object. Okay bete, and for negative interrogative, you know what we will do, same pattern will be there bete, WH family word, okay, plus has, have, okay bete, this is according to subject. Then subject, what will come? I have told you many times, what will come? Note after subject in interrogative sentences. Subject plus note plus V3 plus object and question mark. Is it clear bete? Now take any example. For this, I have done my work. I have done my work. Okay, see, I, with I, this is subject. What I have used bete, according to subject, I is our subject. What should come with I have told you, have, done is here, third form of the verb, this is the helping verb. Okay, this is the helping verb, this is the main verb. Okay, you know very well. Then this is here object. Now any other, he has not done his work. He has not done his work. Okay, see, with he, what I have used here bete, with he I have used here has. Okay, now third interrogative sentence, if you will give answer in a yes no, you can give answer in a yes or no, then what you should use bete, you should use has or have there. Okay, see, has, you can make here, has he done his work? Is it clear bete? Has he done his work? Now WH family means you want to give explanation of your work. What has he done? See, I am writing here bete, what has, you can see here what afterward has or have, because our subject is he. Okay, with he we use there has. क्लियर? अगर यहाँ पर क्या होता बेटे, इफ देयर विल बी आई, यू नो वेरी वेल अबाउट दैट, व्हाट यू विल यूज देयर, यू विल यूज देयर हैव. ओके, व्हाट हैज ही डन means you will give explanation, he has done his homework, whatever is there, he has submitted his assignment, he has submitted his notes, like that you will use. Now see, how has he done his work? How, you can use here, how has he done. Okay, where has he done, you can use here, WH family words, where has he done his work. Okay, now in this way, when has he done his work, in this way you can do your interrogative sentences. If you want to use their not, where not will come here beta, what has he, after subject you will use there, like that, what has he not done. Is it clear? This is for negative interrogative sentences. Is it clear? Now we will do now usage of this tense. First of all, see, again I would like to tell you through the timeline. See bete, timeline of this tense. There are present, past, present, now. Okay, this is present time bete, now means present, this is future. Now see, present perfect tense means something you have done here on this point in the past, the work sometimes before. See, I am making here question mark, means first of all means before, some time in past. Okay bete, action you have done before some time in past. Okay, action you have done, किसी ने भी किया है, action done before some time in past. But I am not mentioning here the time of that work. Okay beta, see how example, sorry, first of all usage, recent actions or events, recent actions or events. See, now the example of this beta, first of all, but in my last video by mistake I forgot to write there A in example spelling, please correct that. Example, see, I have submitted my notes. Okay bete. Second, he has gone. Okay. Third, my father has reached. Okay, see in these sentences, I have submitted my notes means submission of notes done. Okay, means you have done. When you have done, you are not specifying that time here. Okay, your emphasis is here only on the completion of the work. That's why you will use their present perfect tense means action. If you have done sometimes before in the past, then you will use their present perfect tense. Okay, see, suppose my mother is asking me about that, have you submitted your notes? I am saying yes, I have submitted my notes, but I am not mentioning their specific time for that. Now see, he has gone means my main stress is there that the person has gone. Okay, work के ऊपर, my work means submitted, I have submitted my notes. Okay, my emphasis is here on my submission of the notes. My father has reached, my here also my emphasis is here. Okay, I'm giving stress on the work done, completion of the work. I'm not saying like that when I have done that work. Okay beta, that's why we will use there always present perfect tense. Okay bache, and now after that see, like that, I have lost. What I have lost? I have lost my exercise book. I have lost my exercise book, notebook. Okay, I have lost my exercise notebook means I have lost, that's why I am not able to do my work. Okay, see, he has shifted to Jaipur. See, when he has shifted, that person is not mentioning the time here, specific time he is not showing here. He is just want to say that he has shifted to Jaipur and there he is living now. He lives there. Where he lives? In Jaipur. He lives there. Is it clear? See, this sentence, because of that I have lost my exercise notebook, I am not able to do my work. Now see, any example you can take here. See, the police have caught a young man, okay, in connection of robbery. See bete, in this sentence also the police, there was a robbery in my neighborhood. You can take any example. That's why what police has done bete, the police have caught a young man for the suspicion. Okay, like in a suspect of that. Okay, see, when police have caught a young man, it is not mentioned here. That's why we have used here present perfect tense. Is it clear bete? Now everything is clear. See, and the second use is there for experiences, where we use this tense bete, for experiences. Second use. Okay, first use, recent actions or events, those which happened in the nearby past, sometimes before in the past. Experiences, see, have you experiences? How? See, first of all, I have taught to many children. Now in this sentence I am saying to you, I have taught to many children. See, through the line, through the timeline I am showing this better to all of you. Be careful. See, this is your present time, this is your past, this is your future. Okay, see, past, this is now, this is future. See, suppose I am a teacher. Okay, I am in my teaching career. I am doing, my profession is going on. Okay, I haven't left my profession of teaching here. So I have taught to many children, means this is my experience in career. In my career I have taught to many children. But if I want to say you like that, it means like, sorry, it means that in future also, because my career is going on, I will teach more students. I can teach more students because my process of career is going on. It hasn't stopped. Okay, like that. See, this is my career experience. Okay, see, in my career I have taught many, means in past also, means lots of people I have taught here, lots of people I have taught here. Okay, and see, in future also I can teach many. I can teach many. See, my process of career is, time period is going on. That's why I can teach more students. Okay, till now I have taught to many children. Now, is it clear, bete? Chalo. Okay, now second sentence you can take here, bete. See, second for experience. He has gone to Japan. He has gone to Japan for 3 times. See, in this sentence, this is the experience of life. He has gone to Japan for 3 times. It means till now he has gone to Japan for 3 times, but his life process is going on. In his life he may be, okay, he can go there more there in the future. See, again, this is now, this is past, this is future, because life is going on. This is the experience of life. Clear? Time period is going on. See, in his lifetime he has gone for 3 times. First, second, 3. Okay, he has gone for 3 times there. It is clear? And in his life period is going on, it means he can go more there than 3 times. He can go more than 3 times. Now see, another example you can take like that. He has gone to Japan for 3 times. Now, like that, we have seen 3 movies. We have seen 3 movies this week. So in this sentence, week experience, this week. Okay, see, in this sentence, again, see, past, now and future. See here, 3 times he has seen the movies. Suppose this week is going on. This week is going on. Suppose you can assume that today is the Wednesday, and he can see more than 3 movies. Okay, up to the Wednesday he has seen there 3 movies, and this week is going on. That's why he can see more movies than these 3 movies. Is it clear, bete? If you want to ask anything about this, you can ask me. But I just want to tell you one thing more. See, sometimes students make their mistake, they use their past tense. Like that, see, if I take here past tense, see, 3 sentences I have, I'm writing once again to make you understand. I have taught to many children. Okay, suppose I am taking here, I taught to many children. Okay, many children last year. Okay, first of all this, and second, he has gone to Japan for 3 times in 2018. Okay, next is there, we have sorry, इसको चेंज करो पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, सॉरी बेटे, डोंट राइट दिस इज अ प्रेजेंट. he went to Japan for 3 times in 2018. Okay, these two, and the third one is we have seen 3 movies. We have seen 3 movies this week. We have seen 3 movies this week. Okay, we saw 3 movies last week. See beta, difference of these. See, in the first sentence I have used here present perfect. Okay, and in the second tense I have used here past, simple past tense. But where we should use this, we should use past tense when we are mentioning there, when we are expressing there the specific time. See, in my second sentence also, he went, I have used here past. Past tense means second verb, second form. Okay, past tense means verb, past means verb, second form. I have used here, he went to Japan for 3 times in 2018, but 2018 has gone. Okay, that's why I have used there went. Okay, here also I taught to many children last year. It means my career, I have left the profession of teaching there. I am doing something else there. Okay, that career time is not continuing. I have shifted, I have changed my work of teaching, and now I am doing something else. That's why what I have used bete, see, I taught to many children last year. Okay, last sentence, we have seen 3 movies this week, because this week is going on, time period is continuing. That's why I have used here have plus third form. But if you are mentioning there the specific time, means last week, specific definite time you are showing here, that's why you will use there only simple past tense. Okay, these are the uses of present perfect tense. First I have told you for the recent actions or events, and the second I have told you where we use this bete for the experiences. Okay, I have gone there. Have you gone there? Have you ever gone there to Japan? Have you ever seen the Taj Mahal? Means these are the experiences of the life, and you can see in the future because your time is continuing. Okay, now what you will do bete, you all will make your sentences on present perfect tense, and if you have any doubt you can ask me on your WhatsApp group. Okay, have a nice day.